what happens if egg is not fertilized? If egg is fertilized, that developed into zygote, zygote into embryo, embryo into fetus, and then new young ones, and they deliver to new childs. If that is, if egg is fertilized, what happens if the egg not fertilized? After the menstrual cycle, the last menstrual cycle, the egg will release on normally 13 days. During that time period, if sperm is there, the egg will fertilized. If sperm is not there, it survives 1 day inside the female genital tract. Then after it expelled from the female reproductive system, and the next menstrual cycle will be there. Next menstrual cycle occur on the 28 days. Why next menstrual cycle occur? We see the eggs produced by the follicles. These follicles present in ovary. Eggs present inside the follicles, and these follicles present inside the ovary. These follicles, suppose this is the follicles. These follicles release eggs. Release the eggs, and after this is the empty follicles. We can say empty pouch of the eggs. Egg release होने के बाद जो egg का empty pouch रहता है, this is known as Graafian. This is known as corpus luteum. Corpus luteum, and this follicle is known as Graafian follicle. Graafian follicle release eggs from corpus luteum. Now corpus luteum produces a hormone that is known as progesterone. And this hormone helps in the maintenance of endometrium wall inside the uterus. Progesterone endometrium wall को maintain करने का काम करता है. If egg is released, if pregnancy is not there, if egg is not fertilized, the egg removed from the female genital tract, and then after this corpus luteum will be degenerate, and due to which the progesterone hormone is not released, and the endometrium wall will not maintain. Then after the endometrium wall dissolve and again come out through the vagina in the form of blood and blood vessels. So if the egg is not fertilized, next menstrual cycle will be there. If egg is fertilized, next menstrual cycle not occur, that means pregnancy is there. If menstrual cycle is not occur after every 28 days, that means pregnancy is there, और एक फर्टिलाइज हो जाता है तो प्रेगनेंसी होगी, नहीं होता है तो नेक्स्ट मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल होता है. एंड फर्स्ट मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल व्हिच इज कम्स आफ्टर द और ड्यूरिंग द पुबर्टी, दैट इज नोन एज मेनार्स. That is the first menstrual cycle, and at the age of 40 to 45 years or after that, the menstrual cycle will stop automatically. That is known as menopause. That is the last menstrual cycle occur in the females. So menarche and menopause, first and last menstrual cycle. Then to reproductive health. What is the reproductive health? Reproductive health means that, say, the state of physical, mental, social, reproductive life. Reproductive life is known as reproductive health. That is state of physical, mental and social fitness or satisfying reproductive life, that is known as reproductive health. Reproductive health provides the education of reproductive health provides awareness related to reproductive system. The reproductive health education provide awareness related to reproductive system, and it help in the reduction of number of child, of number of child. Nowadays the Indian population is increased, so it will also help in the reduction of number of children and prevent catching up sexually transmitted disease. Sexually transmitting disease. The disease which is can transfer from the sexual intercourse, that also help in the sexual reproductive education also. Through the sexual reproductive education, we can prevent the transmission of sexually transmitting disease and manage disorder related to reproductive system. So, what is the reproductive health? We can say reproductive health is the physical, mental, social fitness lead to responsible and reproductive safe life, that is reproductive health. And reproductive help in the awareness, increase the awareness related to reproductive system, help in the reduction of number of childs, help in the prevention of catching of sexually transmitted disease, prevent the catching of sexually transmitted disease, and also manage the disorder related to reproductive system and other type of diseases. Need of family planning. Why we require the family planning? We all know the Indian population is second largest population of the world, and due to increasing population, the many problems increase in India and world also. So we have to plan, or we have to reduce the family size. So through reducing family size or family planning, we maintain the status also. The different devices or different things that prevention the pregnancy, that devices is known as contraception. That prevent the pregnancy in the female, that is known as contraception. Different types of devices or different types of family planning methods is there. Out of these we discuss some family planning methods. First one is of mechanical methods or barrier methods. Mechanical or barrier methods. Mechanical methods and barrier methods help in the prevent the contact of sperm and eggs. These methods prevent the contact of sperm and eggs, that is condom, cervical cape, diaphragm. These are the different devices which is available in the market target and help in the or prevent the mixing of sperm and eggs. Another type of devices, that is IUCD. IUCD, that is intrauterine contraceptive devices. Intrauterine contraceptive devices. These devices are placed inside the uterus, and that prevent their pregnancy with their destroying sperm or destroying eggs. For example, copper T. Copper T, it is T-like or copper loop or copper T, T-shaped copper wire that is implanted inside the uterus, and this copper T release copper ion, and copper ion has spermicidal activity, characteristic features. These copper T having spermicidal characteristic features, and these copper ion destroy the sperm, and these loops, spiral rings, balls, and shield is present or placed inside the uterus. These are the different types of devices, that is intrauterine contraceptive devices placed inside the uterus that prevent pregnancy by the destroying of sperm. Another type of devices, that is or method, that is hormonal methods. Hormonal methods. Hormonal methods, these are the different types of hormones, or we can say oral pills or hormonal pills that prevent the formation of eggs or prevent the fertilization or any other through any other methods, that may be morning pills, after pills. अलग अलग तरह की टेबलेट्स होती है जो कि प्रेगनेंसी को रोकने का काम करती है, फर्टिलाइजेशन को रोकने का काम करती है, और फर्टिलाइजेशन हो जाता है तब भी इम्प्लांटेशन को रोकने का काम करती है, जिसकी वजह से यहाँ पर फर्टिलाइजेशन के बाद जाइगोट या एम्ब्रियो इम्प्लांट नहीं हो सके. अनदर इज केमिकल मेथड्स. Chemical methods, these are the certain types of chemicals, just like creams and jellies, which are placed inside the vagina, and that having spermicidal activity that destroy the sperm after the intercourse and which prevent the pregnancy. Another type of surgical methods. It is of two types, that is vasectomy and tubectomy. Tubectomy, in which that fallopian tubes cut at places and tied at that portion directly, due to which the eggs did not reach inside the uterus and fertilization is not there. That is of tubectomy. And vasectomy, in which that sperm duct or vasa differentia cut and tie the particular place, and due to which the sperm will not reaches, and that prevent the pregnancy or prevent the fertilization. So vasectomy done in the males and tubectomy in the females. These are the surgical methods. It is reversible. Reversible means if a person having only one child and that child died due to any mishap, that these fallopian tubes again will rejoin. So it is of reversible methods. Now, some diseases that related to the sex organ, these diseases is known as STDs. STDs, that is of sexually transmitted disease. STDs, that is of sexually transmitted disease. First we studied, that is AIDS. AIDS, the full form is of AIDS, that is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. It is caused by HIV, that is human immunovirus. it is spread through sexual contact, it's spread through infected syringe, it's spread through mother to infants, it's spread through infected blood, transfusion of infected blood, it's spread through infected razors also. So now still no any cure is not occur in the market or in the science of AIDS, but the main cure is of prevention is the main cure. बचाव ही उपचार है, फिलहाल इसका कोई दूसरा उपचार नहीं है. अनदर टाइप ऑफ डिजीज इज ऑफ गोनोरिया. गोनोरिया it is caused by Neisseria gonorrhea. Neisseria gonorrhea बैक्टीरिया के थ्रू ये होता है. It is spread through sexual contact or using of common clothes. Another is of syphilis. Syphilis is caused by Trypanoma pallidum. Trypanoma pallidum के थ्रू ये कोल्ड होता है. इट इज ए टाइप ऑफ प्रोटोजोन्स. एंड अनदर इज ऑफ जेनाइटल वार्ड्स. Genital warts. The genital warts caused by human papillomavirus. Human that is HPV. So these are the different types of disease, that is AIDS, gonorrhea, syphilis and genital warts. These are STDs which is transmitted through the sexual contact, transmitted through mother to infants, transmitted through utilization of common clothes or common towels. We can prevent these types of disease by the adopting personal hygiene, adopting different types of methods. So it is also the one more important reason to protect us from the different type of disease. How to protect us? That's why this topics is in our syllabus.